Alright guys, today we're doing Led Zeppelin, the Rain Song. Yes, on piano. It works pretty well, I think. Let's see, I have reverb and chorus on my Casio keyboard here. We have and so forth. We'll do that part as well. So webpianoteacher.com is where to get all of these lessons. Do the whole thing. It's very extensive. A lot of lessons to finish this one. We'll do the free part one here on YouTube, but again, webpianoteacher.com. Thousands and thousands of lessons on there. Just a lifetime of music. If you're looking for good music to learn to play by ear, check out my website. All right, so we start on a G chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, and. So it's a transcription, which means, there's no keyboard in this, just guitar and, bass and other instruments, but we're gonna make it work on piano. And I think it works probably surprisingly well for what everybody probably thinks. So B, D, G on the right, left hand G, D, G. We're just gonna roll that upward. You can roll it down, you can go, you wanna do an open fifth. Okay, but the video I'm going off of on YouTube does a straight G chord. So we're gonna do that here. B, D, G, left hand G, D, G. 1, now 2 and 3 and 4 and. So essentially what we're doing is just kind of vamping out on a G chord. 1, 2, and 3 and 4. If you wanna do the open fifth, it's, you do G, D, G low and you just roll it down. All right, and then we have 1, 2, 3 and 4 and. So we have that G bass still, but we're gonna go to a D chord over the top. So A, D, F sharp. Okay, I'll do a G low, 1, count 2 and 3 and 4 and. So both measures are 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and. So that measure will be G, D, F, F for left hand, then G, 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 E flat. The right hand G, B, F. And then we go to F, B natural, E flat, and a D on the top, and G, B flat, E flat. So it's 1 and. Right, so the YouTube video I'm using is a very nice arrangement. Very neat. I'm really just going off of what is done in that video. Feel to it. So after you play that measure, you have that's an E flat chord. Hold that over, and then G, E flat, G, E flat. So it's the same note you're already on right here. Then this G will play with the thumb on the left hand, the low G on the pinky on the left hand, then A, D on the right. A little accent on the right hand, da da da, because there's a little push on that note. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So let's go one more measure and then we'll tie some of this together. So we have B, D on the right hand and then an A. The left hand is G, D, G. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So we have G on the left hand at the very end. Right hand is B, D, B because we're starting that da, da, da. So from the very beginning, and even though it kind of floats along, you need to count it and be right on time on your rhythms, even though you're playing it in a kind of a floating, feel good free style, you need to keep your rhythm and go 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. ties into the next part, okay? So let's do that. B, D, B on the right. We'll roll it up. A, C, A. Now the thing about this is you have 1, 2, 1 on all of these. C, C, B, D, B, D and E together, just for some dissonance. Left hand G, and then D, G with 2, 1. So yes, it is G, G. Da, da. Then an A. That should be G. And I didn't notice it until now, which happens a lot with me. I don't realize that I've made an error on the transcription until I'm recording the lessons. So there we go. Usually my error is not in hearing it, but it's in writing it down. I just write a different letter for some reason. So G, and then C, E, A flat in both hands. Okay, so it's 1 and 1 and 2, 3, 4 and. See how I counted it out? So if you don't count it, you're going to be early on this and ruin the timing of it. Okay, D, then you go to G octave there, right hand B, D, B, and 1 and 2. Notice nothing happens on count 1. You're holding over. Something does happen. You're holding over, and then we start this again like we did there. Okay. Watch the left hand G, D, G, D, G, G, G. And there we have G, D, and E together. So G, G, and then bum, bum like we had there. And then my favorite part. It's just, exhaling out a sigh. If you ever wanted to do a sigh in music, that's it. C, E flat, B flat, left hand A flat, E flat, A flat, 5, 2, 1. So you go bum, bum, you slide down to B, D, A, left hand G, D, G. Connect it, and the first one's a little more a push. And the next one relaxes. Okay, that's maybe far enough for this part 1. We'll do a part 2 and go further. All the subsequent parts as well. But let's try from the beginning. And go. Let's get into that in the part 2 and we'll go a little further. Enjoyed it.